CLSU as a world-class national research university for science and technology and agriculture and allied fields. CLSU shall develop globally competitive, work-ready, socially responsible, and empowered human resources who value lifelong learning and to generate, disseminate, and apply knowledge and technologies for poverty alleviation, environmental protection, and sustainable development. The ultimate measure of the effectiveness of Central Luzon State University as an institution of higher learning is its contribution to and impact on the educational, economical, social, cultural, political, and moral well-being and environmental consciousness of the people it serves.